for today, and I mean for the entire Boracay trip that we'll be having here, this year, we'll be staying here at the Mandarin Nest here in Boracay Station 2. Kaka-check-in pa lang namin We are a total of like more than 10 kami, tapos 4 rooms in avail namin dito. Sobrang ganda. Like, sobrang ganda ng service, sobrang ganda ng rooms. And dito pa lang talagang bungad pa lang. Napakasarap na sa feeling at alam namin mag-enjoy kami. We still have 4 more days here at marami kami gagawin na activities at syempre kasama kayo doon. Kaya, let's go na! Hey. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, nag-freshen up lang kami and then lunchtime na. So we decided to eat out, of course. Mag-inasal lang kami for lunchtime. Let's go. Hey there, what is up? Whew. After namin mag-lunch, nagpahinga lang kami dito sa room. Yung iba talaga nagpunta sa shore. Inabot na talaga ng gabi. Pagtas ng lunch, dinner na agad pagkagising ko. So yun, punta kami sa Epic at doon kayo magdi-dinner. And party-party na rin siguro. Yun, doon namin tapusin ang aming first night here in Boracay. So let's go! This is us before meal. Masarap talaga pagkain dito sa Epic Boracay. Walang tapon. Like, kahit kanin. Kahit tayo.
Paano mo susulitin yung bayad mo sa crispy pata kapag sobrang mahal ganito?
Hindi ko sasabihin na kanina ang ginagano ni Jason.
Ano ulit?
Hindi ko sasabihin na ito, ganyan malaki, ginagano ni Jason.
Sige, kain lang. For the daddy mode. Asan yung anak mo?
Tapos na kami kumain. Aba, naantay namin yung bill. Hulaan namin kung magkano yung bill namin. So, wait lang. Tanungin natin si Mafi. Magkano yung bill?
9,600, 10K.
7,000. 7,000. Kay Mama, magkano yung bill?
8,000.
8,000. Magkano yung bill, Ate Kit?
8 plus,
8,550. Tumawad si Ate Kit. 8,550. Ayan. Hi, Carlan. Magkano, Del? Magkano?
Hindi, 9K.
Say hello.
Carla, choose 1 to 9.
Say hello. Here. Hi.
Take off.
We will reveal the bill.
Reveal.
Kita pa dito?
Ano? Wait
Ay, hindi
lang.
pala. Nakita ko na.
Bayan, Gerard.
Nakita ko na yung mukha ni Joyce. So, yeah.
Magkano?
7,000 and
Si Tito.
28 pesos.
7,000.
Sebas Tito Hardy.
Thank you, Tito Char.
Dito kami sa Coco Mama. Hati lang kami ni Angela kasi bukod sa nagtitipid kami.
Dito, makisingit
Hey, look! We're enjoying Coco Mama. Kasi syempre binili lang namin yung parang parang share na lang kami kasi aside from parang medyo pricey, hindi naman namin maubos talaga. Yan. Say hello! Hi! Ayan sila.
Hi, vlog.
Kain tayo Coco Mama. Let's go.
Hi ka, hi.
Matingin ma. pumasok, Del? 9:59 dito. Ayan, for the basketball sila. At hindi ko pa rin ginawa yun tulad ng last time kasi ayoko. Baka ma-disappoint lang sila, kakashoot ko walang pumasok lalo. I think babalik na kami muna sa hotel ngayon tapos chill na lang kami kasi we're still early for tomorrow's activity. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Ay, ano ba yan? Iba-vlog ka pa ba yung bar? Hindi, magbabar pa pala nga kami dun sa Epic, balik kami. And see you there. Thank you! Thank you guys! Thank you Epic! Thank you! Thank you Epic for our first night here. It was fun and amazing and wonderful and so happy. See you tomorrow, Boracay! Hey guys, good morning. It's our day 2 here in Boracay. Just woke up and yeah, waiting for the other members to wake up too kasi susulitin namin ng breakfast buffet. Nandito si Carla. Say good morning.
Morning.
Yan. With Rodel. Silang dalawa yung kasama ko sa room dito. Good morning, everybody! We're done with breakfast. Kasi na kami sa activity in a while. Grabe, nakakapusog yung breakfast. Waiting na lang kami for our activity. So pahinga lang konti. We still have time to chill and relax. Less than an hour lang.
Ate na malulutang ka.
Carla, say hi. Say hi. Carla, say hi.
Hi.
Dali. Welcome to Hello, good morning. It's our day 3 here in Boracay. Excited kami mag-breakfast. 6:30 AM pa lang. Daw 6 AM yung start. 8 AM kasi laging nag-start na yung mga activities namin. Tingnan nyo yung kakainin ko. Parmesan cheese na may konting spaghetti. Alrighty. Look at my new hairstyle for today's video. Ayan, pinaretouch ko lang naman siya. At pinalagyan ko ng white highlights. At napakaganda niya. Oh, ha. Hi, Carla. Say hi.
Hi.
Yan.
doon na natapos ang aming third day of adventure here in Boracay. Na yung highlights ng buong araw namin today. Magdi-dinner pa kami. Dito na lang din. Katabi lang na hotel namin yung D-Mall. And yun, sulitin pa namin yung stay namin dito. Bali, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Balik kami sa hotel. And syempre, last night na namin, sulitin namin, tingnan namin kung ano yung gagawin naming bonding moments. Pero siguro tipid na lang kami sa hotel na lang kami. Then bukas, fly back home to Manila. Good morning. Hindi ako gumising na ganito. Nag-ayos pa ako talaga bago mag-vlog. Yan. So it's our final day here in Boracay for this year. Pero not sure kung mauulit pa. Parang mauulit pa. And yan. Mag-breakfast kami. And then we'll fly back to Manila. Yan. Enjoying our last day. Wala ko masabi. Forever grateful for this life kasi na-experience ko yung mga ganito. At fulfilling. Pack my things and hello Manila in a while. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.